Runs and drives great. Listen to the motor. Brand new battery. Hummer H2 custom SUV, Vortec supercharger. Runs and drives great. Clean title. 2004 Hummer H2 custom. Follow for more videos and photos. See comments below with additional information and phone number. 561-851-2158. Has custom running boards, custom wheels, runs and drives excellent. Tow hitch package. Completely customized inside with surround system, DVD player for on top, sunroof, moonroof. All the leather interior is excellent condition. Plenty of room in the trunk. Bose surround sound system. As you can see, plenty of room in the trunk. All power windows, power locks, power doors. Completely custom inside. A little over 41,000 miles. Give us a call if you have any questions. We'll be happy to give you a test drive. We also provide shipping. Brand new battery, 5-year warranty, maintenance check, oil change, everything's up to date. All history records come with the vehicle. 2 sets of keys. Give us a call if you have any questions. 561-851-2158. Follow for more vehicles. We are the Liquidators, guaranteed to have the best price. If you don't like our prices, it's too low, feel free to make an offer. All vehicles go. Our vehicles don't last long. They're on here and usually gone within 2 weeks or less. Give us a call. Don't miss out on this beauty. It's a great Hummer. 561-851-2158. Give us a call.